Welcome to lesson 5. This one, so we're gonna do part of it, and then at the end there is a game in games and activities, and it's a really fun game that you can play by yourself or you can play with a partner. But so if you want to do this with a partner, great. Ask someone if they're ready to do this, if they want to do this, and if they do, have them watch this video at the same time that you're watching this video, okay? Because they'll need to watch the video before you play the game. Or you can just watch the video by yourself and do the games and activities by yourself. Either one works. Welcome to lesson 5. Grab your journal and write lesson 5. Then what I want you to write on the top is factors. Factors. Oh, not all the other stuff, just factors. It's like showing through my other paper. Okay, today we're going to find factors of numbers. What that means is it's numbers that multiply to equal a number. So let me show you. Okay, if you have the number 10, we're going to find number 10's factors, okay? So now what I want you to do is I want you to get a different color pen or pencil. Can you go grab a different color pen or pencil? Okay. We are going to find the factors of 10. All the numbers that multiply together to equal 10. Let's start with the ones that we know. Easy, right? 1 and 10. That's easy, right? Because 1 times 10 equals 10. Okay, let's go down. 2 times 5. Well, what's 2 times 5? 10. Okay, 3. Does 3 times anything equal 10? How about 4? How about 5? 5 times 2. How about 6? How about 7? How about 8? How about 9? How about 10? 1 times 10. So 10's factors are 1, 2, 5, and 10. 1, 2, 5, and 10, right? Can you write all this down? Okay, let's do another number. So grab your first pencil or pen, whichever color. Let's do the number 12. Okay, let's find the factors of 12. Are you ready? Easiest one. 1 times 12. Easy. 2. 2 times by what equals 12? 6. How about 3? 3 times 4 equals 12. Okay, so we just did 3. Now let's do 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Yeah, it's a factor. How about 5? How about 6? 6 times 2 equals 12. How about 7? How about 8? How about 9? How about 10? How about 11? How about 12? 12 times 1. So what are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Can you write all this down? Okay, grab your pen. Let's do another number. Let's do the number 16. Okay. Let's find the factors of 16. Can you say that? You can say it quietly. The factors of 16. Okay. Start with our easy one. 1. Oh, sorry, my paper's weird. 1 times 16. Okay, let's go to 2. 2 times by what equals 16? 8. 3. Does 3 times by anything equal 16? How about 4? 4 times 4 is 16. Good, so 4 and 4. We can write it twice, that's okay. How about 5? How about 6? How about 7? How about 8? Yep, we wrote it right here. 8 times 2. How about 9? How about 10? 11? 12? 13? 14? 15? 16? No. So these are the factors of 16. So now let's write them. Can you write them up on the side? 1, 2, 4. Now we don't need to write 4 twice. 8 and 16. Okay? So those are your factors of 16. Let's do a bigger number, okay? Let's do 64. I have to turn the page. I don't know if you have to turn the page, but I do. So let's do 64. I gotta find a blank page. My page. There we go. So write down 64. Okay. Start with the obvious one. 1 and 64. What's the next one? 2 and what? 32. Good. 3, 4. Does 4 times anything equal 64? How are we going to figure that out? What are we going to do? Would we need to do 64 divided by 4? Yes, we would need to do 64 divided by 4. So we know, how would we figure that out? So 64 divided by 4. Well, let's draw 4 circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start. Let's go to get 64 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide it up. Okay, pause me if you're not done. So we had 64 and we divided it by 4. We had 4 circles, we divided it by 4. How many is in each circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it is. So 4 and 16. Ooh, okay. How about 5? How about 6? Is 6 times anything 64? Think of your multiplication. It's not. How about 7? How about 8? 8 times 8 is 64. Okay. How about 9? Nope. How about 10? Nope. 11? Nope. Ooh, what about 12? Is 12 a multiple of 64? No. 13, no. 14, no. 15, no. 16, no. Okay, so these are our multiples of 64. And if you're ever unsure, just draw it out really quick and do a quick division. So now let's list the multiples of 64, okay? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. Okay? Okay, so now what you're going to do is in your games and activities, there's a factor race game, and it's really fun. You can do it with a partner, or you can do it by yourself. The instructions are all there, but basically you flip over a card and you time yourself in 1 minute and see if you can write out all the factors. So you'll like flip over a card and it will say like 12. And then you're gonna write down all the factors of 12. But you'll see on there's instructions and stuff. So this is a great one to play by yourself, or if you want to, you can play with a friend, okay? That's in the games and activities factor race game. Have fun.